Alright, now let's move on to the next question. We have question number 8. So 8 part 1, we want to find the values of the constant a for which a inverse does not exist. So if a inverse does not exist, that it indicates that the determinant of a will be equals to 0, right? So for the formula for determinant, it's going to be a, b, c, d. So it's going to be equals to a, d minus b, c. Okay, so therefore, in this case, your a is going to be a bracket a plus 4 minus 4 times 3. Okay, make this even better, 4 bracket 3. All right, so now we'll expand this. We'll get a square plus 4a minus 12, and we do notice that the inverse does not exist, so therefore this determinant should be equals to 0. Then what we're going to do next is we are going to use the cross method. Put a square here, negative 12, and then 4a. So we'll have a and a, and then we'll have negative 4, 3. No, we'll have 2 and 6, right? So we'll have 2 and 6. So that's going to be 2a, 6a. You want to get positive 4, that's negative 2a, so negative here. So we'll get a minus 2, a plus 6, a is equals to 0. So therefore your answers are a is equals to 2 or a is equals to negative 6. Yeah? Then moving on to the next part, for part 2, it's given that a is equals to 4. Now we need to find the a inverse. Okay, so if a is equals to 4, we need to finalize our matrix here. So we have a, okay, it's 4, 3, 4, and then that's going to be 4 plus 4, that's going to be 8. Yeah, so first what we're going to do is we are going to try and find the determinant. Determinant of a is equals to 4 times 8 minus 4 times 3, and that is going to give you 20. Now let's finalize this. So if we want to find the inverse of a, it's going to be 1 over determinant, which is 20. Then the matrix here, what we're going to do is we're going to switch the 4 and 8, so that's going to be 8 and 4. Then for the 4 and 3 here across, we will multiply this by negative 1. So negative 3, negative 4. And that would be your final answer. Okay, for our last part, we want to find a times b is equals to 2, 3, 4, negative 5, right? Now, in order to do this, we need to find b, so we need to bring a to the other side. It becomes a inverse times 2, 3, 4, negative 5. We've already found a inverse in our previous answer, so we are going to have 1 over 20 bracket 8, negative 3, negative 4 and 4 multiply with 2, 3, 4 and negative 5. So when we multiply this, we are going to get bracket 8 times 2 is 16, negative 3 times 4 is going to give you minus 12. Then we have 8 times 3, that is going to give you 24. Then negative 3 times negative 5 is going to give you positive 15. Then we have negative 4 times 2, that's going to give you negative 8. 4 times 4 is 16. Oops. Then we have negative 4 times 3, that's negative 12. And 4 times negative 5 is negative 20. Now let's simplify everything here. So we have 1 over 20 is equals to 4. 24 plus 15, that's 39. Then we have 8 and negative 32. And that is your final answer. So B is equals to this. Okay.